Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure you have essentials: the exact model and Android version, decent battery, and any backups. Once you've noted those, try Google Account Recovery to regain access. This often avoids complications after reset. If recovery fails, proceed to Setting System Reset options to initiate a factory reset. Make sure to remove any external SD card and sign out of accounts if you can, because this reduces follow-up authentication hurdles. Now you'll perform the reset itself. If you're unlocked, use Settings to Factory Reset because it cleanly removes user data and deactivates some protections. Once done, or if locked, use the device's recovery mode via the exact manufacturer key sequence. Incorrect timing can prevent access. When wiping, be patient. The full wipe and first reboot can take several minutes. Make sure not to power cycle mid-process. Interruptions risk software corruption and complicate later recovery. Finish setup by following on-screen prompts, and when possible, sign in with the original Google account to satisfy device protection. If the device asks for an email you don't have, do not attempt unauthorized bypasses. Instead, contact the manufacturer, carrier, or an authorized service center. They can assist after you prove ownership. Keep receipts or original packaging ready because authorized teams require proof. This official route protects you and preserves warranty coverage.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.